Hi, this is a quick video walkthrough of our home renovation project management spreadsheet system. It is a full spreadsheet system that can track your budget costs, your actual costs, and all your spec items for external, the building side, and also the internal side elements of it, such as hardware, light fixtures, appliances, etc. It has a project dashboard at the front summarizing all the costs, all labor costs, all the room summary costs, and also a category summary over here. On the next tab, it has a category by room breakdown. So this is breaking down each category of the spec items, broken down by room and split further into budget and actual costs. These all automatically update as you fill in the spec tabs. There are also tabs to track who you've been contacting. If you're looking at a few different contractor options for working on your renovation remodel, so you can track all of those here. There are drop downs here, so you can choose, you can categorize them by trade. You can put all their information in, link to their socials, contact names, emails, etc. Add any notes. There is also a option analysis tab. So if you're considering a few different options for your toilets, if you're considering options for your oven, you can track all this here. So it's kind of acting like a digital notebook for this bit. And then also you can work out the work that needs to be done for each room in each area. So these are all grouped, so make it easy to work with. So you can open the living room, you can see everything that needs to be added into the dining room, what work needs to be done. You can see which trade and who needs to purchase the materials. You can put an allowed budget for that work and what your actual quote was for that work. You can track all that here. So once you get your quotes from your contractors, you can input all of that here. So we'll just use kitchen as an example here. So we've got all of this work that needs to be done. It's all categorized by trade, who's purchasing. And then if you're ready to send out scope of works to contractors for quotes, you can then go on, move on to the next tab. So this tab, works by room, is filtered onto the works by trade tab automatically, and it will filter everything that the carpenter, for example, has been listed to do for your renovation job. So it looks for the room name and what works to be done. So it will give him a full list of works that need to be done for the entire property, and then he can use this as the basis for his quote. And then moving on to the spec tabs, so you've got an external area that you can use here to add in areas. So this could be, say for example, a patio that you could spec items here. So you've got all this key spec information: product name, brand, vendor, dimensions, finish, and then you can track the quantity, the budget, the actual cost. It will automatically work out the difference, who needs to order the item, the status of the item, and then track the order and delivery date here as well. And that's the same for every spec item, all again grouped into different areas. So you've got your kitchen area for your cabinetry, and that's all tracked there. So we've got appliances, plumbing, stone slab, tiling, painting, and miscellaneous items. And then back at the front, you've got a simple summary of each of the items, a dashboard as well. So this is a pie chart when it populates, and a bar chart here, and then a cost summary here. So this will automatically input the budget and the actual cost, the difference, and the biggest cost area for each room. At the very start of a project, you can say, oh, I want to spend around 40k on the kitchen. You can put that in there, and this will give you your preliminary budget, and your total calculated budget is based on the items listed in your spec tab. So your budget total here, that is your calculated budget, and this is your actual cost, and then this is your preliminary budget. So it gives you 3 different levels of cost tracking here. If you need anything customizing, if you want to remove some bits, if you want to add some bits, then just reach out and let me know and we can work on a customized spreadsheet together.